And lastly, I'm going to give you one of my favorite ideas for building instructor presence in online courses, and that's to add media comments with SpeedGrader. So what I mean by that is feedback that's in an audio or video form for your students. And you can do this anywhere you use SpeedGrader. So you'll just go into SpeedGrader. And for any student, any submission, you just look for this button. So this is the media comment button, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. So I'm just going to click it, and my webcam comes up, and all I have to do is start recording. It gives me a little countdown. And then I can just let my student know what they did well, what they need to work on. I'm just going to say it instead of writing it with text. And that allows me to convey my tone of voice instead of just the text-based feedback, which can be really intimidating for students because they're going to read it, they're going to apply their own tone of voice, just like in email or whatever you're used to kind of interpreting somebody's tone. When students are getting feedback, it almost always sounds scary. So this is a great way to kind of convey some encouragement and also just to show yourself for your students, provide that guidance, all of those things that are so important. So then I'm going to click finish, and what it does is I'm going to click Save Media, and it just adds the video that I recorded as a media comment. And let's go ahead and hop in Student View so we can see what it looks like from their perspective. So they'll see they have a new comment, and they can just watch the video that I created. And then I can just let my student know. So that's it, but I'm going to jump back in and just show you real quick in case it doesn't pop up quite so perfectly or easily for you. If you don't see yourself when you click that button, you can change the webcam. So I have a laptop, and if I select this one, it's going to show just blackness. Because that laptop's closed. So if this is what you see, you just need to come in here, maybe select the correct webcam, or you can even select no video and just record an audio comment, which works just as well. I know that it can be a little bit hard to get started with this because we're not used to seeing ourselves or hearing our voices, but I promise you the more you do it, the easier it will become. And for this one, you can just verify that it's working just by looking for this blue bar bouncing up and down as you speak. But you can also, if you don't hear yourself or don't see that blue bar, you can just click that button to select the correct microphone from the list. And that's it. If you need any help with any of these ideas, you can always reach out to your school's ITC or contact me via 6Tech.